welcome back to my channel. Today we are testing out something that I've been waiting so long for. We have the, I don't know the name of this brand, but it is a mini appliance washing machine. Hello, she is here in all of her glory, finally. I'm gonna just put this box a little close though. She's seen better days. She looks like she got stepped on. Have a cup ready, but I want to open this thing up. So this is the appliance series. They have like a bunch of other appliances, so like you could do your whole like life routine with this. None of these I think are meant to actually be like used this way, or like used how I want to use it. I actually saw Tiffany Lynette do this like right after watching it, or like literally within 5 minutes of watching it. I was just like, okay, I'm buying this, I'm gonna pause. And it took a while to get here, but I'm ready. Now I just want to say there's some dirt in this package, and she's a little bit scratched. She looks like she's been touched a few times, so I'm gonna like clean her off. She is gorgeous and I'm so ready. I got to pick the sticker and the color of the thing. They had like a blue one and a white one, and it was like really extensive, and I liked the like top of this one, and I really liked the little washing machine tornado on the front. So I have a screwdriver and I have 2 AA batteries, and I'm gonna get this thing operational. So it was the wrong batteries and I had to get some AAAs. So we're just gonna put this thing together. Okay, it's already like whirring. There's like a little thing in there. Okay, it even has a little hose. That's what this like component is over here. What are we gonna clean? What are we gonna do? I'm so excited. I'm gonna use some of my Tatcha Pure Camellia Cleansing Oil and just give that one pump. I'm gonna also use a little Pacifica Coconut Dissolve. And now I'm gonna take some water and hopefully not spill this everywhere. And we spilled it everywhere. Now I'm gonna take the Sonia Kashuk brush spray. I really like this one, and we're gonna spritz some of that in here as well. So this is a pretty big sponge. This is a Sonia Kashuk blender compared to like a Real Techniques, and they're pretty dirty. I haven't washed them so that I could try this. And we're just gonna stick her in here. So this beauty blender immediately soaked up all of the product, and it's too like heavy. Now maybe I'm not gonna put as much water. I'll do like half and do a really dirty Morphe sponge. We have lift off, people. It's like ASMR. It's like she's dying a little bit, like as the sponge gets heavier. Okay, yeah, so maybe that just means it's done. Oh, yeah, you see, she get violent and it just stops, but it looks like all the makeup is at the tips, so it worked well on the side. Like really well, actually. Let me do it in this way. Ooh, I want to get that handle off. So I want to try draining this thing. Let's just see. Okay, that was pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. So 2 for 2 were like, Okay, we're gonna do it quick. Why does it like stop? So it has stopped working. It's going ham in there. It's going real fast, and then maybe I have to drain it. It literally stops when you put it in there. So I am gonna dry these off and bring them out as best as I can. This looks like Kylie's little skin tutorial. There's so much makeup on this rag. So this is the rag and my sponges after. They're still pretty dirty. Not gonna lie, expectations were up here, excitement was up here. As the video went on, excitement was like down here. And I'm not super sad about that. I spent like $4 on it, but I've been waiting forever to use it. And so to just use it and be like underwhelmed is like, but it is a kid's toy. It says ages 3+, so I mean, I don't really know why I was expecting it to be so great, but it's cute, you know. I think I will try to use it again, and I have a feeling like, let's try a silicone little blender. This one's covered in glitter. Yeah, no, that doesn't work either. It's gonna stay on my desk, I think, but it will just be a toy. I'm probably gonna take the batteries out of it because that was a flop. So if you enjoyed watching that video and watching me be really disappointed, then give this video a like, or you can subscribe and join the family. But that is it. Until next time.